Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and a recent backup of your firewall rules so you can revert if needed. Next, install the Firewall AI agent and confirm the version to avoid compatibility issues. While it installs, gather a simple network map and list of critical assets and policy goals. This lets the AI prioritize correctly. Once done, open the management console and authenticate with your admin credentials so you're ready for configuration. You now configure intent-based policies, starting with least privilege and clear trusted zones, and decide which services should be allowed. Then, set the AI learning window and sampling rates so models see representative traffic without overwhelming the system, and enable safe mode thresholds to prevent risky auto changes. Once the AI produces recommendations, review and map them into explicit rule sets, and schedule a staged rollout to apply changes to a pilot segment before full deployment to reduce risk. You deploy the staged rollout and monitor key indicators such as latency, blocked flows, and false positive rates to verify behavior. Make sure automated rollback checkpoints are set, and alerts will notify you on anomalies so you can act fast. If you encounter problems, pause AI-driven changes immediately, analyze decision logs to find the offending rule or threshold, and adjust learning parameters or whitelist critical flows. Then resume gradually to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.